Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. If you don't know me, my name is Ruth and Styleneek is my brand. So as you can tell from the title, this is an empty house tour. New York City apartment. We just purchased it. So grateful. I wanted to show you just an empty house tour. So without much ado, this is a New York City 2-bedroom apartment empty house tour. Here it goes. Upon entering, there's a small landing area and a coat closet to your right, and then you walk right into the living room. This window provides a lot of light, which is what I liked about this unit because you can see into the city. Some of the units were facing a brick wall, which will not work for me. So I'm very happy that I got a unit that looks out into the city at night. You can see all the city lights also. With the exception of the entrance and the kitchen, the unit has hardwood floors throughout. Right by the living room is the kitchen. So the kitchen is to your left as soon as you walk in. It also comes with the refrigerator, the microwave, and a 4-fire burner with the oven. Everything comes with the unit. From the kitchen, we're going to take a walk down this hallway and take a look at the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. It also gets a lot of light and has a great view of the city. And it has a medium closet. Not too big, not too small, just right for that particular space. From the first bedroom, here is the primary bedroom, and it's really a good size. It's so exciting viewing a new place like this and coming up with like a lot of ideas on what you would like to do with it. I can't wait. Again, this room has lots of light because of this window. In the morning, you can see the sunrise. It also has a nice size closet. So it's back to the hallway, and we're going to take a look inside the bathroom. It has the basics, a tub, a shower head, vanity, toilet. We plan on changing most of these things, if not all. Like we need a new mirror, the toilet seat, you know. So stay tuned to see all the new changes that we make. Once we're done with the bathroom, we're gonna take a walk back down the hallway and then we end up in the living room slash kitchen slash entry area. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you, thank you. Comment below which room that you are mostly looking forward to for transformation. Hope you guys enjoyed the empty house tour. It's like yellow everywhere. But we're gonna change everything. We're gonna decorate each room. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And also, I need to get to a certain number of subscribers. Right now, I'm under 1,000 subscribers. I need to get 1,000 subscribers or more. So if I'm able to reach that number, then I'll be able to showcase what I did, how I did it, and just share this journey with you. So if you are interested, please subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll post more videos. But if I can't get the number up, then I'm not gonna waste my time because like YouTube is no joke. These videos and editing is no joke. So I need to have like certain number of subscribers. So if you're interested, please subscribe. Help your sister out. Help a girl out so I can post like I could do like a series that goes room by room, showcasing what I did, how I decorated it, the things I used. It can help people get ideas, and it can also inspire you, or you can just watch for watching's sake. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You can share it in order for me to get to the right number so I can add more videos. Also, don't mind the mess in the back. When you're moving, it's just a lot of things, a lot of boxes, a lot of unpacking, and it takes longer than you think. As organized as I am, I still have things that have nowhere to go that I have to figure out. So stay tuned if you're interested.